here there was something called reverse. I'm going to get a reverse rows and again select only first two columns and remove all other null values so that I only have the sample set of data. And maybe I wanted to do a reverse of rows. Okay. You wanted to see what happens. Reverse rows will just change, invert this table rows such that the last rows are displayed first. So somehow I wanted to get the, there are this date as my first line of item, third date as second line of item. So you can just simply select this reverse. So all your data, which is, in a ascending order, whatever, it'll just reversed it. So in fact, you might not have it in an ascending or descending order, but whatever format, like you say, you have collected the data on a regular date wise. So the data is collected in a in the past 1 month in a day wise manner. So somehow you wanted to reverse the data you reverse the order of the data, not in a specific sorting method, but the rows have to be simply shuffled from top to bottom. This is very useful, reverse rows. Okay, this can be implemented in any type of data. Like you can see here, you wanted to do it, just simply reverse rows. You can see the last column has come first, the first column has went down. Simply you can do that.